go to MathWorks website. You might have to select your region. Once you have selected your region, click on Get MATLAB button. To download MATLAB, you will have to sign in to the MathWorks account. Type in your credentials for MathWorks account and sign in. Once you have signed in, click on your initials on the right hand side and go into My Account. Here you have an option to download MATLAB. Click on License Actions Download icon, which takes you to the download page. Once downloaded, start the installer and log in using your MathWorks credentials. Accept the terms and conditions. Select your destination. In products, you can individually select different toolboxes or products that you want to install, or you can select all to install everything. Just be careful, when you select everything, the total install is about 23.5 GB. So if you do not have the space, you may just want to install the products that are required. Add the product dependencies, select any options. Once everything looks okay, click on Begin Install. This will start installing the software. Once the installer finishes, select Close to complete your installation. Some of the products need a supported compiler for them to work. A list of supported compilers is given in the link shown.